Good morning. Off to the International Motorcycle Show this morning. Going to meet my friend Steve. And anyway, we will see you there. Hey, why don't you come with me? Come on. Come on. Go to the motorcycle show. See what's happening.
Go ahead. Make my day.
I'm trying to think, but nothing happens.
What the hell? The store here today. Okay, Stephen Ader and John, that would be me, here at the motorcycle show. What's up, man? What are we doing?
Spring motorcycle show.
Spring motorcycle show.
It's mostly classics and hot rods and whatever.
This is where the bad boys go. And that's why we're here. Bad boys. Bad boy. What you gonna do? All right, so let's get on with it. We're in there. You can see where we're going. Looking good.
Watch this.
Nice.
Heats up instantly.
I went to a bike show to buy pepperoni.
We went to the bike show to have a drink of beer.
And I could probably buy this cheaper at the local Quick K or whatever you call it.
How much did you pay for those pepperonis?
$20.
$20. Does this look like $20 to you?
That's 3 layers.
Three
No, it's
layers
2
of
layers.
pepperoni?
No, it's only 2 layers.
2 layers of pepperoni.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Isn't that a beautiful looking bike?
Yes, it is. Classic big board.
And guess how much? Take a wild guess. 2 beers.
It's half a case right here.
$23. Come on down. Have a beer with us. What are you doing staying at
It's the
home?
Blue Jays without the Blue Jays.
Yeah, exactly. We're going to enjoy. Smile. Here's one of these.
Oh yeah? There you are, man.
Okay, we're done with the bike show today. I bought a necessary accessory for biking, pepperoni.
Don't
Hot
drive.
pepperoni.
Don't be driving behind him. And I got the bandana and the PCB water bottle. I don't know if you can see it there.
John
Anyway.
supported the charity for prostate cancer. I don't give to charities anymore because I'm retired. I'm on a fixed income.
What's this extra money? Anyway, it was
He
a good
has
day.
all kinds of money laying around, so he just gave him $5 like it was nothing.
Anyway, we had a good time. The motorcycle show wasn't as big as it usually is, but it's pretty good. Still
Yeah.
good. You're surrounded by motorcycles, friends, and what else could be better than that? And anything closing comments, Steve?
No, I think that's about it.
All right, buddies.
Okay.
Okay, come with us next time. We'll see ya.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.